I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Simple but elegant nga raw talaga ang datingan ng ating Bel Mariano sa London, at kung saan spotted na naman nga itong pumunta sa isang event doon. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video. Ayon nga guys sa post, Philippine Center London Charity Gala Night 2024 and 40th London Barrio Fiesta Celebration with Philippine stars actor Piolo Pascual, singer Martin Rivera, and actress Bel Mariano live in UK. At dito naman guys ang sabi, first time to meet new gen superstar Bel Mariano. Was such an honor. She was so nice and humble too. Thanks for taking the time to pose for a photo with me. I am die-hard fan of TFC Euro and all the movies. Got to watch you guys Don Bell at ASAP Milan before. Hope to see you guys together in London or the UK soon. Dahil marami na nga talaga ang excited makita itong ating Don Bell na sila Donnie at Belle sa California para sa ASAP event nito. Dahil dyan, stay tuned lang tayo for more update.